Hello students, this is lecture number 4, week number 2, and in this lecture we will discuss topic 1.4, the composition of two functions. The composition of two functions. For the definition, let fx and gx are the two functions. Fx and gx are the two functions of x, then the composite of g and x, then the composite of g and f is denoted by this one, and it speaks as f composition g. It is basically composition of g and f, but we call it f composition g, and it is defined as f composition g x equals to f of gx. It is called f of gx, like this one. Here in this case, first we write the value of gx and correspondingly we evaluate the value as per the definition of function fx. Here it is g composition f, and in g composition f it is defined as g of fx. How we read it? G of fx. It is opposite here. Here first we put the value of fx, and then whatever the value of fx, we change it accordingly to the definition of gx. As far as the domain of f composition g is concerned, so the domain of f is also the intersection of domain of g and domain of final expression of f composition g. Means one, you need to count the domain of g, and then you need to find the domain of final expression of f composition g, whatever is coming, the intersection of this, and the domain of g composition f, it is the domain of f intersection domain of final expression of g composition f. This is how to calculate the domain. For this, first we need to, means in both the cases, here you need to solve f composition g, and here you need to solve g composition f. Now we'll solve one question, and then we will learn what basic things we required for the composition. So example, we are studying example number 1. Let fx equals to x minus 4 and gx equals to square root x. Fx equals to x minus 4 and gx equals to root x. Clear? So first you need to find f composition gx. How to find it? It is basically f of gx and f of, put the value of gx. The value of gx is square root x. Now what it is? Now here you need to read the definition of f. What is the definition of f? If inside x is written, answer is same x minus 4. So what is written here is square root x and minus 4. This is how to calculate f composition g. Whatever is written inside, you just see the fx. F of x, x is written, so answer is coming x minus 4. Here square root x is written, so answer will be square root x minus 4. What is question number 2? Find G composition F. It is G of fx. So here first you will put the value of fx, and the value of fx is x minus 4. Then see the definition of G. The definition of G says if x is here, so it change into square root of x. So we are just putting the square root here. Clear? So what will square root will put? This is x 4. This is the square root. So this is one type of question where we are evaluating F composition G and G composition F. Now to calculate the domain, we need to calculate the domain. Clear? So if we need to find the domain of F composition G, so what it is equal to? It is equal to domain of G intersection domain of final expression of F composition G. Now what is final expression we are talking? So if we are talking F composition G, this is the final expression. For G composition F, this is the final expression. And in the previous lectures, we learned how to find the domain. What is the domain? This is a polynomial function. So the domain is R. This is a radical function. So what will be domain? Inside whatever is written, put this greater than equal to 0. What is the domain here? You need to see minus 4 is outside, no problem. So the function is square root x only. Same like above, square root. This is radical, so x is greater than 0. And what is the domain here? Here it is square root x minus 4. So what is written inside? X minus 4. So what is the domain? Domain is x greater than 4. Now if we put the values here, so the domain of G is, what is the domain of G? It is x greater than equal to 0. Intersection. What is the domain of final expression of F composition G? This is F composition G. So the domain is same, x greater than equal to 0. And I told you in the previous slide that the domain of means intersection of two same sets is same, no change. So x is greater than equal to 0, and this may be written as 0, infinite. This is number 3, domain of F composition G. And if we want to calculate the domain of G composition F, then it is equal to domain of F intersection. It is domain of final expression of G composition F. And what is domain of F? Domain of F is R. Intersection. And what is the domain of G composition F final expression? Final expression is this one. Greater than or equal to. Take the intersection because this is bigger set. This is the universal set R. So whatever small set you will take, the same will get as an answer. So this is the domain. So we have calculated 4 things for this question. What is F composition G? What is G composition F? What is the domain of F composition G? And what is the domain of G composition F? In the next slide, we will try to solve little bit different questions. We will study here 3 examples so that you can clear your doubt easily. Now, example number 2, we have taken fx equals to square root 9 minus x power 2. 9 minus x power 2. And what is gx? It is square root 10 minus x. And my dear, 1.4.2 over page 11 in your material. So fx is given, gx is given. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate three things. What is the first thing we need to calculate? First we need to calculate f composition gx. This we need to calculate. Okay, let us find it. So f composition g means f of gx. So f, put the value of gx. The value of gx is square root 10 minus x. And what the f is saying? If x is written here, so it is square root 9 minus whatever is here is x, so it is x square. So what is the value of x here? It is 10 minus x and the whole square. So what it is? 9 minus square root is cancelled by square. So what we get? 10 minus x. And this equals to 9 minus 10 plus x. And if you will simplify this, you will get it x minus 1. Got it? This is number one thing that they need. Another second thing they need, domain of f composition g. Domain of f composition g. And domain of f composition g means domain of g intersection domain of final expression. Domain of final expression of f composition g. This is the formula. This is the formula. So what we need? Oh, we need domain of g. So first we'll find the domain of g. Domain of g, if you will find, this is a radical function. Put this greater than equal to 0. So you will find the domain as x less than equal to 10. And here, this is also radical function. What domain you will get? X greater than equal to 1. This is the domain. So what is the domain of g? It is x less than equal to 10. This is intersection. What is the domain of this? X greater than equal to 1. Clear? So if you try to find the domain here, so if it is 0, 1, or we can take, because both the numbers are positive, so we can start here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, like this one. So x is less than 10. X is less than 10. This side. And x is greater than equal to 1. This side. See, where is the double line? Double line is between here and here. So what is the domain? Both places are equal, so it will be a closed bracket. It starts with 1 and ends at 10. It starts here 1 and ending at 10. This is the domain. So domain of f composition g is 1 to 10. You need to remember this. Now, the third question also asked in this example, what is that? Calculate the value of f composition g at 4. Now, f composition g, what is f composition g? F composition g is square root x minus 1. We have already calculated. So they need the value at 4. So what it is? It is 4 minus 1. What is the answer? Answer is square root 3. So this is how to calculate f composition g and g composition f and some of other type of questions related to composition of function. Now I will take one question that is from the exercise, and this question also looking little bit different, or you can say little bit complex. So I want to solve this question. This is example. This is question number 6 in your book over page 24. What is this question? Fx is given square root 16 minus x square and gx equals to square root 11 plus 3x. What they are asking? The first question is same. They need f composition gx. And what it is? F of gx. Then f of gx is what? Square root 11 plus 3x. It is not same like previous but almost matching. It is square root. What is the condition of f? It is square root 16 minus inside what is written 11 plus whole square. Whole square is cancelled by square. So we are getting 16 minus 11 minus 3x. So what we'll get? We are getting 16 minus 11 is 5 minus 3x. Clear? This is number one issue. What is number two issue? Number two issue is, okay, let us solve a little bit, give space. A domain of f composition G. So what is the formula? Like the previous question, domain of G intersection domain of final expression f composition G. And so we need to find the domain. If you will find the domain of G, clear, it is a positive number. So x radical function. So x here x is positive means greater than. If x is negative, look here. What is the difference? You will notice it. If you will see here x is negative. So less than you are getting. But if x is greater than, like this x is positive, so it will be greater than minus 11 upon 3. And here, look here, x is negative. So x will be less than here, less than equal to 5 upon 3. Got it? So we will write domain of G. It is x greater than equal to minus 11 upon 3. Intersection, domain of final expression. What is the final expression of f composition G? This one. The domain of this is x less than equal to 5 upon 3. Now this I am leaving to you how you do it, but you can do it because now you need to learn how to find the intersection. This is the intersection because x is greater than this and x is less than say this. So it will lie in this domain. Now the third question they are asking, they are asking f composition G at minus 1. Okay, f composition G at minus 1. So minus 1 means we need to put the value 5 minus 3 minus 1 and this is 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 and that equals to square root 8. This is question number 1. And the another question here they have asked f composition G at 6. That means 5 minus 3 into 6. Because what is the value of f composition G? This one. So 5 minus 6 into 3 is 18. So answer is square root minus 13. So that's all about this lecture, and in this lecture we study composition functions. Next lecture will bring another topic. Thank you very much. Take care.